Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 6 English Unit 3 Travel. In today's class, we will do word study exercise A, page number 41. In this exercise, what you have to do is you have to find the given words in the maze. As you can see on the right, there is a list of different words, and on the left, the words have been jumbled up in the box in the maze. But you have to look carefully and find the words. For example, the first word was resort, and I have marked the word resort in the maze with the help of a blue marker. You can also find the rest of the words in the maze and then circle them with the help of a pencil. The next words are veil, which means a valley, satiate, which means to satisfy, to please. Then we have torrent, dell, scenic, spellbound, fascinate, riveted, tower, and exquisite. You have to find all of the words in the maze. Now we are moving on to the next exercise. Exercise B, page number 41. In this exercise, the words have been jumbled up. The spellings of the words have been scrambled up. What you have to do is you have to unscramble them and write the correct spelling of the words. All of the words have been taken from the unit travel, and you must have read these words in the chapter. For example, the first word, when it was scrambled up, the spelling was ENSICC, but it did not make any sense and it was not a correct word. So I arranged the spelling in the correct order, and the word turned out to be scenic. SCENIC. Scenic is a word which we have in this chapter, which is used to describe something which is beautiful and which is very pleasing to the eyes. Just like that, there are some more words which you have to unscramble to make the correct word. Your homework for today is to complete exercise A and exercise B on page number 41 in your book. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.